So welcome again to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important questions during us in the interview. That suppose you have given a list of the items, okay, in the list, how you are going to find out the largest number in the given list? How we are going to be found? So let's see. So first of all, my logic is this items are arranged in a random manner, right? So first of all, we are going to sort this list on the basis of ascending order, okay, and then whatever the item in the last, that will be the largest number, okay. So for sorting this list, I am going to use list one dot sort method, okay. This list one dot sort is going to be sort this list, right, on the basis of ascending order. If you see that, output will be a sorted, right, this input list, and the output of after the sorting, this will become a ascending order, right, and whatever the item in the last, that will be the largest number, right. So I'm going to print the last item, which is the nothing but hyphen 1. So hyphen 1 will be uh, fetch the last item of the list. And what is the last item? That is the 99. That is the largest number. If I'm going to print that, so the largest number is 99. I hope this logic you understand. Thank you so much for joining this video.